So let's have a look now how we can work with date fields. And let's take an example and make a new sales order here. And if we open up the sales order, you have a due date. Now let's assume that we want to put it to the work date. You can type in W and then you see the 8th of April. So let's check our settings. The work date is the 8th of April. So you can do W, but you can also do WO, or you can type in work date. It's all possible. Let's assume that you type in 12. What will happen? Well, Business Central will say, oh, this is the 12th day of this month of the work date and this year of the work date. So you type in 12 and Business Central makes it the 12th of April, 13th of April, and so on. So you can also just type in numbers. What you also can do is, for instance, type in days like from Tuesday, and then you see here we are Tuesday. If we take Thursday, then you see it becomes 11th on Thursday. So you can also type in the name of the days. Now let's assume that we use the T from today. What is going to happen? Well, then we see the 25th of June. Now the 25th of June is not the work date, because that's the 8th of April in this case. But when you look here, then you see the 25th of June is actually our system date. So you have to be careful, of course. Normally system date and work date are the same, and then you can use them like you want. But in case that there is a difference between both, then you get different dates. A frequently used date formula in Business Central is a date range. Now let's have a look here in sales, and let's go to sales invoices. Now we get the list of all sales invoices, and you see that there is a posting date for each sales invoice, and we have posting dates in different months, and we might want to filter that and just, for instance, find all the invoices that were posted in October, in April, for instance, and then we can use this date filter. So you see here starting date and ending date, and in between a double dot, and that means that you are putting a range with a starting and an ending value. So here we are going to look for invoices in between the starting date and the ending date, and then you see that the system will filter those records. So we have used here a date formula, which is a date range formed by the double dot in between the beginning and the end value.